I used to publish videos about portrait and beauty photography, and I also published a photography magazine for exactly 10 years. And then I vanished, and now I'm back, but not with photography. So maybe you still know me from former videos. I was all into photography, and that was a huge part of my life. But then when COVID hit, I stopped because I couldn't really justify anymore to motivate people to team up in groups for photo shoots, which are just for fun. I couldn't ask people anymore to come to workshops or something. So I stopped completely. And I also sold Good Light magazine. I sold it to a publishing house so that it is in professional hands and it can go on even when I'm not around. And what I did in the meantime was mostly working. And in my professional life, I'm doing AI projects for large enterprises. And that's not so exciting to make videos about. But I find that AI as a tool is getting more and more exciting in personal life. And that's especially true for photographers, where it can do a lot of things like post production and um, cataloging photos, distributing photos, planning photo shoots, a lot of things. And also for people who are interested in images, but not really in photography. Like if you are a marketing agency, then nowadays you can just generate your images and often also just generate videos with AI. You don't need to record it anymore. So I feel that's very exciting. And I would now like to share things that I do in my personal life where I apply AI so that it really works for me. And that could be simple things like just prompts for AIs, which work, which do something for me. That could also be more complex, like AI powered software that I made for myself and that you can just use as well. It could be workflows and a lot of things. So when I've got time, I want to share it on this channel with you. So if you would like to apply AI in practical ways, then you are in the right place now.